Hello friends, welcome to Savveggie. Today we are going to learn world's best triple layer chocolate cake with the chocolate crunchy frosting. On our loved one's birthday, we really feel to prepare this chocolate cake. It is very much suitable for birthday parties and chocolate cake, and it should be a really chocolatey, and it is the best chocolate cake recipe in the world. And this cake is so soft and has a rich chocolate taste to it, and it is a frosted cake with the two types of frostings, and simple chocolate crunchy to frost outside and a creamy cheesy icing to frost inside. Now we'll see the ingredients required for this chocolatey cake. We need flour 300 grams, sugar 220 grams, eggs 4, cocoa 2 tablespoons, baking powder 1.5 tablespoons, and baking soda 1.5 tablespoons. And we also need butter 200 grams, milk 4 tablespoons, vanilla essence 1 tablespoon, dark chocolate chips 200 grams, cream cheese frosting as needed, chocolate crunchy as needed. Now you'll see directions to prepare. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degree Fahrenheit, and then butter 3 tins generously and dust the inside with flour, and tip the excess out and set this aside for a moment. And then mix flour, baking powder and baking soda in a bowl and set this aside for a moment. And now take milk and chocolate chips in a saucepan and melt it gently. Once it boils, switch off the flame and allow it to melt completely. It takes just 5 minutes. So now completely melted in milk. So now take butter, sugar and vanilla in a mixing bowl and beat till creamy and fluffy. It should be completely fluffy. You have to beat it well, and then add in eggs and beat again. Beat it well. Now pour in melted chocolate and mix well. Now sift in the flour mixture and cocoa in this and fold gently until combined. Now pour this onto 3 prepared tin and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Let this cool a bit before removing from the tin, and leave this cake to cool completely over the wide rack. Now take one cake and frost with cream cheese frosting, then stack another on top and spread some more frosting. We are setting cake one on other. Now at last keep another slice, that is a third one, and cover the entire cake with chocolate ganchi. Chocolatey, creamy, chocolatey. So now decorate with as you like. Very much prepared birthday chocolate cake. Yummy and tasty. Now it's a wish you happy birthday time. You can slice and serve or give it as a present to your loved ones. I hope you like this chocolate cake. You try to prepare it, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.